Every great melody begins with a single note. On World Music Day 2025, that melody echoed across Tamil Nadu from every corner of the Velammal Bodhi family. More than 21,000 students, united in rhythm and purpose, came together in a record-breaking musical performance for Asia Book of Records.
I'm Rohita of grade 9 from the Velammal International School, Ponneri. Today happened a fantabulous event organized by our VKP campus and Cadence Academy on an attempt to set the Asia World Record on Music Day.
All we want is brotherhood and music, music, music. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Sway and shake your tambourine. Lift your voices, shout and sing. Music, music, music.
Music doesn't just entertain, it inspires, empowers, and connects. This event wasn't just a performance, it was a celebration of identity, expression, and shared passion. Behind every beat was relentless effort, weeks of practice, countless rehearsals, staff, mentors, and students moving in harmony toward one extraordinary goal.
The Velammal International School, Velammal Bodhi Campus, TVI's Velammal Vidyalaya, Velammal Vision, Ology Tech School, all these schools numbering 31 campuses all over Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, numbering approximately 23,000 students all over the campus. We also had a joyous experience to sing in a musical platform.
Music, universal language. Nicest part of melody when people sing in harmony. So put another nickel in the Nickelodeon. All we want is brotherhood and music, music, music.
Hello everyone, I'm Godwin Javakumar, the head of the Department of Music of the Cadence School of Music and Performing Arts. Today we've had a landmark event on the World Music Day where over 20,000 students sang simultaneously a wonderful song called Music, Music, Music.
Music and songs always enhances a person's character and quality. It brings good health. And I'm so happy that Velammal School group of institutions have given so much importance to music.
Dum-dee, dum-dee,